So this some steamed callaloo. Callaloo looking pretty boy. So hey, peeps, jerk chicken smells sweet, you know. Citrine season from last night. Now tell us, yo, that you sent you when no normal. It's a soup. Yeah, man. Goated soup, this is no peeps. Fully active, man. Good old rice and peas. Whole heap of things we have on the menu, man. So some steamed vegetable, cabbage and carrot and tomato, all of them there. We have goat in the pot there. And pork and things around there. So oxtail. Oxtail is where we pan the broad bean for throw in at that. You know what thing go? Yeah, man. Good old jerk pork this. Yeah! Wow! Jerk pork active. And that curry goat. Now I show them everything. Fried chicken this, you know. I just have them at the fireside. I go and keep. Oh Lord God! Woo! Woo! Fried chicken peeps. Lock your mouth and open your eye more wider. When you look for my chicken fan and open your mouth, my subscriber, you're rude. That's the curry goat. And man, we're fully active and we have roast breadfruit. And we still have what? Fish where we not deal with. And we still have fried plantain. And we still have what next one named Festival.
Yeah,
and Bami. So we still have 4 pots left to cook. GPS man, them are that we're cleaning up the road peeps. And this man I turn up this up on the light wire. What light wire boss turn up on, you know?
When you do that, yeah. Big truck over.
One of them are get the cleaning up the road. I'm getting light wire clean up, yard man style. Yeah man, fully active. And person out on the street. Get some goat here now, cause instead of goat tomorrow, some goat soup. So we just go up on the road and do some shopping. The watch here now, you know what I mean? Just a pick up local ingredients then. You know what I mean? Yard man style. Yeah man. What's up? My beautiful peeps, you know we there do what we do best and love, you know what I mean? Yeah man, big cookout tomorrow at the Riverside. So see time we have some snapper and some parrot. See lime there, wash them off in some lime juice now, cause them scale and gut already, and season them up for fry. And extra beef, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so we have fried fish on the menu tomorrow. Also them say they want roast fish too, so fry and roast. Yeah man, whole heap of fish. Over here so we have oxtail. Yeah man, around 3 person order that. So you know the thing go. 3 person order it, so we just order 3 pounds. Each person get a pound. Whole heap of oxtail that, you know. Imagine each person get a pound. I will eat that one person there, so I'm going to clean out the chicken. We are going to jerk chicken and we are going to fry chicken. Yard man style. Yeah man. It's a good look. We just start chop up and clean up the meat. Then we are going to season up. You know what we do for everything? Fully active. Yeah man, person the okay, so I'm going to use this board there. Now this meat board there is an almond tree, you know. Yeah man, this only used for deal with meat. When we're done, we wash him off and put him down, ready for meat again. Down here, so you know I great uptown. Yeah man, uptown. You love deal with the oxtail, you know, peeps. All tomorrow, and you might go and cook this pan the river, you know. Because you see you come from uptown and then sitting uptown people eat, you know. See in there?
Sweet pepper chef.
He says sweet pepper chef.
Yeah.
See they are clean it up decent to take off if you take off cause I want uptown, you know. And that a board there, it's a guinea tree. Yeah man, it's a guinea tree board that, you know what I mean? Yeah man, animals them out, them have whole heap of food tonight. So just there I go and clean up. We have pork up on the menu. Yeah, we have jerk pork on the menu. And the fried fish and the oxtail, breadfruit, fry, plant, and whole heap of things on the menu, peeps. But we just there clean up the meat, the man. If you get them seasoned up, so you know, say tomorrow, everything well nice. Yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. Chicken breast. It's nice to go up on the grill tomorrow. Fully active, man. So we outside I do the right thing, peeps. Doing what we love. Goat, you know, peeps. Good old curry goat. Yeah, man, I buy this Saturday. Ochirayos meat market. Yeah, man. Turn some goat head and try to boil the manish water. So you know tomorrow we'll boil some manish water too, you know. But this is the good old curry goat. When you put on the curry pan, you're gonna see how it look. Tomorrow, when the curry soak in it and it finish cook, you're gonna see how it look. Only thing, you're not gonna know it taste, because you're not there for taste. But the subscriber, them are going to tell you how it tastes. And trust me, anything them say, I saw it go. Believe no, man. So the pork, yeah, man, this we are going to jerk tomorrow. Jerk pork. So we have a one guest order jerk pork. And whole heap of pork this for one guest, you know, but we no ramp. Guests have to eat till them can't eat no more. Alright, so this is ready for season up. So we say, everything done cut. You want me to go for goat head and try it and see if them it will the cut up?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm go for that, peeps. Good amount of soup stuff them here. At least a pot of soup can boil in tomorrow. And then I finish cut up the goat head and tripe and foot and all of them there. That's how you come by your manish water. Your man, you use the foot, the head and the tripe. Yes, I cut them up fine now. Wash them off tomorrow. Manish water. One, all of the onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, ginger. Yeah, man, all of them we are going to blend up. When we blend them up, now we are going to throw them over the meat them. Season up the meat them, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, that are the pork. This are the head and tripe for boil the manish water. This are the goat for curry. That are the oxtail. Now over this are the pan of fish and a pan of chicken. So we are going to line up here now to do some seasoning. All of them we are going to throw in our blender. Blend them up. Then when they blend up, we will come out with the sauce. Then we throw the sauce them over the meat, rub them up, and you know say everything active. Yardman style. You know them way there? Yeah, man, fully active, man. Pan that peeps well blend out. Yeah, man, see it there? Yardman style. Yeah, man, you blend it out. Them redness the way you see, you know, and the pepper, you know. Time to season up, you know. Yardman style. And you don't know. First, you see, I'm over here, so I cook, you know.
Yeah, man, season up that, man.
Cook some white rice, some brown stew chicken. First, is salty rice.
Yeah, that thing good for, man.
You say that thing good for?
That thing good for.
Why make me taste something that me and a while ago, it's salt.
You get blood clot, man. You don't get none. You make me salty rice, brother.
Taste and tell me if you not salt, Bobby.
You know what I'm tasting? Look at the taste me, I got dead.
Yeah, I got that.
Nah, give no.
But just go crack some native coconut, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, we go blend up some coconut so we can get the milk. Yeah, first make sure lemonade, because you know I'm my chef. So let the fire active.
Yeah.
So 3 native coconut in a rice and peas tomorrow and nothing normal. Happy? Yeah, man. Yeah, cracky coconut. And that's coconut water. Now we look for all about up in our place. That's coconut water peeps. So we still there, you know, we have a season up here. Then we and put them in our fridge, so we active for tomorrow. Yardman style, you know them way there. Yeah man. Fully active now. Mercy pot smell good. It feels good. Rice pot. So just there in our kitchen at the right thing, please. Season up them and cook some food for yourself. That is how we do it in Jamaica.
Hey, that never do.
Man, so when he done cook, you have to praise him.
Yeah, boy, can't do anything, you know. That you want me to praise you. That never go. Yeah, props, yes, but me not praise you.
So you go people, see the coconut sometimes it can give a problem to come out of the shell. Like when it a fight uptown. Percy pot smells sweet over here, some food soon ready. Gravy I get thick up and nice. Uptown the man say you have to go lick your 10 finger.
You want to do it?
So, I said that nice.
As long as I know with the toe. You have to go lick them, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, I know it's a one season of chef, you know.
Yes, oh, I say any season of chef. Yeah, man, say one season of chef. Yeah, man.
Anytime we are season up, I'm a chef, you know?
Season of chef.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
You see, it tastes and it tastes alright.
You just want to, you know?
Simmer down.
Simmer down.
That's
And
a
controlling temper, you know.
That's a code. Alright. Uptown, I tell you what I go on.
Fight the coconut, yeah.
Coconut a fight, sir.
You can't go to coconut, man. Teach and teach it apart. You never got school to that part.
Yeah, man, whole for coconut in a piece. When you blend it out, you get the milk, it cook the rice and peas nice. And that's some native coconut too, you know. So I water this and then I strain him off, put him in a buckle and put him in a fridge. And when this water will come out of the coconut. How you think you done? So the piece you hide.
Bombard, just a start.
Yeah, bombard, just a start. Yeah. So that piece they hide peeps, like you hide it. And hide the man, you didn't see it, but you're still in there and look for cause.
I hide it finna dig out.
I'm glad I say, yeah, me done dig out here now.
Aye, me think me did done.
But in my mind, I say, well, man, I want so much coconut for rice and peas, you know, but I just give them a nice rice and peas, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, the coconut milk can't too much.
Coconut milk alone and cook it.
Yeah, man, you can use the coconut milk alone, cook your peas, and then use the steamed rice. Trust me, the rice and peas there, half nice. See that? Man, cut them up fine now. Then you wash them off and put them in the blender. Blend them
Rum punch and coconut.
Yes, rum punch and coconut mad.
That nice. It's mad.
Rum punch and coconut.
Rum punch, a bit, man. Big piece of coconut that was like mad good.
Alright,
Rum punch and hot though.
yeah, man. Terrible man, chang.
Feel like it. Don't put too much rum in either.
Wait, rum punch?
Yeah, what do you give me? Cause when I go down on the station and sit down at the doorway, and I burn a weed and I drink look like, brother, to a lick off me there, man, I have to go cover you till in the morning.
Yeah,
Yeah, brother.
we're not really doing no free production, free advertisement, you know, but this matter about
Yeah,
you see
man.
it.
Maddest.
Yeah, man, this.
Maddest rum punch that.
See
I
it
tell
a
you.
pray. Yeah, man. Jamaica rum punch.
Yeah, man, they say a whole rum then use make him man. Say, you know, whole rum and what rum with them store in a like bamboo and so on.
See it upon it, man.
Yeah,
The
brother.
papa, this the story that the whole
Yeah,
jar.
the whole drum there. So when that cure, can't tell me.
You see, man, pan the top in a little hot.
Mm.
Yes, peeps, and this person I thought we're chang for chew, man, for sure you're chang. Why do you throw out a cup, man, and watch it in the freezer? Sit there in the freezer, well freeze up. Yeah, man, you can put it down, make it go and thaw out for me to look later. But see the peeps, it's a come off. Yeah, man, well tough, man. Yard man, star man, looking at man fridge. Look at vegetable and beer KFC box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And pizza the man have in the fridge. Yo, I swear go man, I cook food we like, you know what I mean? Yeah man, me have all of them and still a cook. Yeah, some people, more the mind me have them KFC, them would eat no chicken and no white rice, you know, you're mad. This one. Yeah man, KFC, if you wanna come in late night for a party and then place the hungry bite, here you know. So I have KFC in our fridge, you just at it. But for now, eat some white rice, some brown stew, chicken, cause of that right.
Yeah, this will work with me all night.
Fully active man, you just throw look more water and night, so I find and cook down this now. And food ready.
Food ready. I want the gravy soaking in meat, man.
Story,
So,
just leave the pot, story. Yo, I want the manager chicken, man, that Tony, he never done. Cover your pot, man.
Food ready, I know.
Yeah, man.
Food ready.
Just a food ready.
Yeah, food ready.
Alright, gravy look thick and nice.
Yeah,
You just carry food.
Yeah.
Alright, peeps. We have a line up here now and blend up the coconut. And get that out of way. And we still not throwing the season them, you know, peeps. We are throwing the season them, you know, and get that out of way. Then we mash up some food. Yard man style and tomorrow, you know, and cooking pan the river. Uptown I will go and blend up. First you can go and season now. Yeah, man. Chicken season up, you know. I'm on the blend up season. Alright, so you know peeps, then rub in the season. So you know, say everything have to taste nice, you know. The man when the season goes soak and then a chicken. Then eat down to the bone tomorrow. This is how we do it in Jamaica. I should say this is how me do my cooking. Season up. Then we put them in the fridge tomorrow. Good to go. Powder season of lime, we're good to go. Yes, peeps, that's a code. Orange season. Make the chicken color pretty. However, you are using. See me? This one now, make the chicken pretty, my peeps. Yes, I rub up all of them there now. Chicken done season. We are going to put pork. We are going to season the fish first. Everything is seasoned. This is how we do it. More color in season. Yeah, man, the chicken pretty. well seasoned and nice. So when they fry it tomorrow, oh gosh. So we have the goat left and we have the oxtail left. So we have to grate the coconut, get some rich milk. You understand me? Use some coconut, so milk thick and rich. This touch rice tomorrow and nothing normal. Fully active.
How is your mama over this?
Man, say tell us you have to bust your bag down and your boss. Season up the fish, then you just drop them back in the bag. So tomorrow you know the king of thieves. Crazy vibes. Chicken done seasoned up already and tie up. So we're ready for touch the goat and the oxtail. Show you what go on. You count them. Put this for jerk tomorrow, you know. I'm gonna throw some jerk season over in. Let this go soak. Yeah, you know what I mean? Blend up over and down. That we are talking about. Well seasoned, ready to go tomorrow. Good time, you know. Season up the goat, you know. You may fix maybe call come up in a box still. Just enough season. Alright, save some for the oxtail. Yeah man, that for the oxtail. Man of the good old goat this you know. Throw some of the jerk season over into. Can I leave picky. Look, some more of this. Give it some more of that season. Story see the oxtail. Ketchup. Bone catching peeps.
More fire someone before my box it up.
Never actually, I'm tell you, I never get a telephone, you want the box. Yeah, me get a brand new iPhone.
iPhone 18.
Yeah, man. Brand new.
Alright.
iPhone 20 half again.
Tony.
When you want it? Oxtail or Oxtail?
Which one you pick?
Now you ask me a question, brother, you ask me which one you pick.
Which one you pick?
I feel favorite food, man.
You pick the one where
See that? Oxtail done season up here now.
Oxtail.
No ox.
Never eat it.
So this are the curry. This are the coat. The curry left down the road now the car, so now I go for the curry. If you chew over this boy, everything season up here now. And I go in the fridge. Fully active for your morning. Yardman style. You know the thing go.
You have a cooking book with.
Just some food, man.
Chef.
Yeah, man. Season up chef in the kitchen again, man. Food ready, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Clean out the
man.
pot.
Clean,
Chat.
sweet, man.
No,
right
it's
amount,
no
you know? Chew away.
Cheer away. Yeah, man. Uptown over here, so I go and backload the coconut milk. You know, we just do everything at the same time, peeps. So see that we have coconut milk active for tomorrow. Yeah, man, that are going on the peas. So we have the peas that are going to soak from overnight. You know what I mean? With some garlic in it. Yardman style. That my band come see me earlier do on Saturday. Soak the peas from in the evening. Sunday morning when I put it on the fire, it cook quick and fast. I'm going to coconut milk and it's rich and thick. So we active peeps. And moon. Half a moon. Nice half a moon there. Outside peeps. The right thing. Food I share that I want to like see.
One season up chef again, you know, peeps.
Food it tastes nice that I want to like see.
Yes, nice, man.
Fully active, man. I think that you see outside. Ready. Where's the going up done?
One thing full of oil.
Where's the cook with oil?
Worry for oil.
Alright, that's why rice so shine. A butter, man.
You must see more than spring oil, man. Must see more than spring oil.
Yeah, man, I butter. I'm one of them who love enough butter in a rice. Nothing wrong with that. But you see rice a shine. Yeah, man, him put in a whole heap of butter, but look on the whole of food, they active. What go on? No go on.
I can't go on. See, you go from that.
Oh, yeah, man. You active, man.
So one for my bro.
Then I Uptown man now. Look where I am. Brown show with ketchup.
Ah, boy.
I have garlic, man. You want to put this garlic? I have to put some ketchup in there.
What go on now? What's up? Fully active, you know. When you see that van here with too much chair and table, you know what time it is, you know. Yeah, man, heading to the river. Do some yard man cooking for my subscriber them, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, me have some subscriber. They are Jamaican them, so them can't reach Jamaica and taste sunrise bars cooking, so you know the thing go, how we do it in yard man style. See the van, the chair, table. The river here now, we just empty the van, take off all of them there fight and carry them down on the riverside and start with cooking yard man style. You know them way there? Yeah, man, and that we are going to deal with peeps in a real life. Fully active, man. Yeah, we are carrying on the stuff them now. Empty off the van. And carry on the stuff them peeps. Reach now. The jerk on everything there. Rain start falling on me peeps. We run in a car and a shelter. Guys, it start to rain, you know, but hopefully a morning rain where the midday going to be hot. But you know, it's raining. And if it's a morning rain, man, when you touch up in a 12 o'clock sun, I come out hot. If you're in a car or shelter, you know. See that? Now waste no time. Reach on the riverside and me say cooking. So right now I catch up the fire to put on the peas. Because you know the peas are soaked from last night. So quick and fast and now the peas cook. Yeah man, put on the peas you know. Then after we put on the oxtail because you know so that I take some time to cook and also curry goat. So I'm up on the riverside, getting fully active. First fire this ketchup. It's a good look. Subscribe to the channel. You're outside. Pop up the patty and all enough to put it on the fire. Put on the peas. Yes. Easy like that. See peas are soaked out from last night. You know, see the peas are soaked with some garlic from last night. Right. Make the fire and the pot. They do the work, you know, yardman style. Give some more water too. Yeah, it's a machine.
Machine.
Yeah, man. Yardman style. Yardman style, we deal with a piece, but more time I say, yo, more time I want a pressure cooker, you know what I mean? And this have to screw off, you know, man, you see?
You see it, man, but
Man, just tap and buy. How much they sell me it for? Our price 7,000, I just pay feed peeps. Yeah, man, more time I let me go faster, like how I deal with some oxtail, you know? Yeah, man, I let me go faster. You know what I mean? There, you know, I catch up the fire to put on it. To put on the pressure cooker to deal with the oxtail. You say, a dust?
yeah, dust here la sell me man. I'm carry back my boxing class head with you know.
And person I say, hell like sell a beer cold dust.
Yeah, we turn out the cold bag. What
There's a beer dust.
Beer dust there la sell me.
Cold, it cold and sound like them good still.
Yeah. So all about.
Yes, so you know, put on some, put on the oxtail, let's say. Breadfruit, they are roast already to, you know, peeps. Because you know, I'm not ramp, you know. Yeah, man, peas pot over here, so start bubble. Them fire tick, I bring them from my yard. Then I use set up my decking. So I just bring them now and cut them. Use them for cook. Because I like cook on wood fire, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you can't bother with the coal stove or the gas stove. Look how pot a bubble. Wood fire do that. Believe no, man. Yeah, man. Love the wood fire cooking, man. So today I get active in the kitchen. You see, you know, I start jerk some chicken. Me fi jerk chicken and me fi jerk pork. But two set I guess me have a come at the Riverside today. You know, one set I reach early and one set I reach late. So me actually I deal with the set where I reach first. Then me eat some roast breadfruit, rice and peas. Then need the oxtail and then need some fried chicken and then need bami. So I deal with them set the first. You know what I mean? Then the other set now, fried chicken, jerk chicken, extra beef fish, roast fish, rice and peas, steamed vegetable. So it's a big cookout, peeps. Catch up one more fire there, so see that? I catch that you know to put on the pressure cooker, yardman style. Load up on the riverside, you know. Rafting, I go down the river, rafting and tubing. This is where the calypso rafting take place. Yeah, all the calypso rafting and tubing, them pass right here. So just catch some water, you know, for wash your hand. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. We are alone up on the riverside, you know, peace. But you see a little bit from this amount of people were there, you know, nothing normal. So we are go through and a sweep up and a clean up and everything at the same time. Because what we say, fully active yardman style. Yeah, man. Fire take bird fruit, you know. Think bird fruit now roast. Look at that. Bird fruit a roast. Look on the fire. Yeah, man. Real yardman style, peep. This is how we do it in Jamaica. Fully active. Soon as this cook up, ketchup, put on the pressure cooker. Start deal with some oxtail. Here say you know, correct, because this me the plan to use for curry the goat, you know, but through me catch the fire, I see say the day I burn out it take too long, because the goat not ready yet. Me just put on the bird fruit, so I'm gonna catch the next fire there, so put on the goat. You know what I mean? We have soup to deal with to some goat head soup, so we there I get everything active. Deal with the oxtail. Then what we do, we have fry it up first in our oil, and then after we put in our pressure cooker make it cook down. Then fry him up. And real life. Then we cook him down. The fire catch up the goat. Yo, I tell us that we fully active on the riverside there, man. You know, chattings. We fully active uptown over here, so really the goat. Put on some onion, onion, garlic and anything they call fry. We are going to fry it up here now, you know. Curry goat and roast bird fruit with jerk pork. A biggie! Yeah, man, see it free. Fire active. Everything active. You know what I mean? Okay. And I cover up that now and just make it fry down. You know the thing go fully active, man. Fully active on the riverside. Kids, yeah man, get attention, you know what I mean? So rain can't stop you, because I'm in sunrise boss, you know. So more time the sun go against me, and Father gotta fall like rain. So while I'm at work, I still have to work. We have a thing.
Alright, so 110 or so.
110
over there.
Rain start that down the kitchen.
Alright.
This way, you know what I mean?
Fully active.
Fully active, 14 dumpling settings.
In there, man. Fully active 40.
Yeah man, I make a L shape over there.
Oh, me I go down.
Boss, I'm about some curry now. Curry goat settings. Turn the bird fruit, them already. Soon as the oil hot, you know say goat can go in. Oxtail over there, so I go and fry up. Bird fruit roasting. Peas still a cook. Can line up and catch a jerk pan too. Yeah man. I line up and set up a table them under a tent. Yardman style. That's how we deal with the thing in our peeps. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Here walk. Alright. You can use one long and one short. Yeah, I'm sorry. I set up the table and I set up everything, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we're fully active, man. Alright, curry goat settings, you know. Curry goat are going in a pot, you know. Yardman style, we are dealing with it, you know, peeps. Wood fire cooking, think of chattings, food have to cook and taste nice, done cook quick and fast. Everything have to be alright. Free. You can check the peas too. You don't even see the peas cook. Curry goat. Curry goat thing, you know, babes. Curry goat pretty. And nice yardman style. Rotted. Watch your peeps. Your water. Blood cameras. No water in my peas. I'll take you off. You put on the pot cover up, yes, this store will take you off. No water in my peas. Hey, you see your fire burn, peeps? No water in my peas. Peas burn out. Dry out. Come like you cook too, you know. Hey, peeps, you see? And fire chicken and ram. Then sweet to the and lagoon and guinea food. Oh God. And me if you tell about them, you see how them are born ready. Quick and fast, we don't cook. Yes, the peas don't cook. Alright. Yeah, man, throwing some milk in here now, man, you go cook. Good old coconut milk, you see white and pretty. Alright, not done everything, you know. Yes, I. Put him on back on fire. Good to go now. Yardman style. You know what I mean? So we outside, peeps. Do the right thing. So the peas no must cook, you know, say fire thick than a bun. You think we ramping? You think we playing? We not play. Ah, yeah man, that good. Pot of bubble in the early morning. Yeah, man, fully active peeps. Outside, you know what I mean? Take out the oxtail for out of that here now. Put in a pressure cooker and make the pressure cooker go do the work. Yardman style. Fully active, man. I think we want the next fire. Catch up our next fire to the side where you say, you know, peeps, because we have a soup to put on. But bird food then could have soon done roast. Bird food then can go all one side, you know. Bird food then can go all one side. Can move the bird food them and put on the soup in the middle of some peeps. That we are going to do. Lock up the pressure cooker. Dangerous. We say that one then I'm going to make run up and down like what they are. That one they post. That one they liquor. If you're not tight meat, but from the tight meat, good to go. You want to put it on the rubber on fire? Alright. See, eh? So, anyway, take you when you go on gas stove and the rubber on fire. Alright, peeps, fully active. We're outside, I do the right thing. Wash rice you know. Get in my pot 2 bag of jasmine rice. Uptown I go and cut up the thing then to go in our soup. Yardman style. Pressure cooker work, you know. Yeah. One pressure cooker work. That's a code. Wash the rice, you know. Move the fab count now, but I feel so we wash the rice with fab, you know. No, so we not use no fab, I just some plain water. Wash the rice. And then we put it in a pot season up and having everything already. Just the rice it wants. As soon as you don't wash it, you're going to put it in the pot. Yardman style from the Riverside.
So I don't want to waste no water in my boy.
I use water here for brother. I use water.
You must cost about water.
Water then.
I soup man. Remember the soup pot. So I don't make a care of river water when you feel some big. See river water, chat too much man. Me river water this. You afraid I tell him uptown? Tell him. Tell him saying chat too much. You afraid? You call like you afraid I tell you. Well, say, I have a boot if you say so. Alright, boss, you can chew off the water off our rice. Yeah, man, uptown and Percy. Always active. I just see a pumpkin and a carrot I cut up now and chew in a pot, yeah? Yeah, man, fully active, man. Fully active, man. You put in it? Rice in a pot. Man, it's a good look. Story pot, you know, and cover pot with rice. One go steam. Yardman style. Soup pot. Man, nice soup pot. You know, we have tripe and them thing there. A cook and a goat head and a goat foot. Yeah, man, come like me see piece of the goat here in the pot, peeps. Piece of the goat here. Hang on. Yeah, man, so you're going to deal with goat, you know. Sometimes they don't clean up the goat good. You will find piece of goat here, so you have to just take it out of the pot. Rice pot, everything active, man. The tube been going down the river, peeps, and each time them a tube, sometime you have a set a tour guide where the dog them tour with, watch water and just come out and, you know, swim them a swim go down the river, you know. Yeah, they normally come out there so and then go somewhere down there and then go back in. Yeah, man, see it there. Fully active watching. A food and smell, man. You always tap yourself and look food and then go back in the water. You know what's saying? You look food and then a little bit from this, then go into the water again. So we're fully active in our kitchen and get everything up and running, quick and fast, yardman style. Put in the carrot and the pumpkin in our soup, make it go and go boil out. You made a look for another time. A piece of meat. Fully active. Left them go a river go and do finish cooking. I mean, pick up some guests now. By your principal hotel and now bring them to the river. They enjoy some river food. I'm on Sunrise Boss River cooking. I make them full joy that, you know what I mean? I'm on the by your principal hotel and my car, see my car there too. I have my car, you know, cause a good amount of people. So I have to use the bus and the car. Yeah, man. In real life. Get busy, all the people are going in. You know what I mean? So pick up the guests them and head back to River Yardman style. Reach up here now, see bus there. 7 of them, you know. So I have to rise the car and the bus. See it now, we're heading to the river. Yardman style. Make it back on the river, you know. Chicken and jerk, you know. Yeah, man, river active, man. One set of guests over there, so. You know what I mean? Next I guess soon forward. See food and everything looking active. Soon show you why not pack them. But we there do the right thing, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, yard man style, man. Fully active. Outside with there, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm.
Can't put this pan.
You not done jerk yet. When you know if you don't jerk. See, fully active, man. So this some steam callaloo. Callaloo looking pretty, boy. So hey, peeps, jerk chicken smells sweet, you know. Citrine season from last night. I tell us, yo, that give a scent when not normal. It's a soup. Yeah, man. Goated soup. This is no peeps. Fully active, man. Good old rice and peas. Yeah, whole heap of things we have on the menu, man. So some steamed vegetable, cabbage and carrot and tomato, all of them there. Yeah, man, we have goat in other pot there. And pork and things around there. Sorry, oxtail. Oxtail is where we wait for the broad bean for throwing at that. You know what thing go? Yeah, man, this pork. Good old jerk pork this. Yeah! Wow! Jerk pork active. And that curry goat. Now I show them everything. Fried chicken this, you know. I just have them at the fireside. I go and keep. Oh Lord God! Woo! Woo! Fried chicken peeps. Lock your mouth and open your eye more wider. When you look at my chicken fan and open your mouth, my subscriber, you're rude. That's the curry goat. And man, we're fully active and we have roast breadfruit. And we still have what? Fish where we not deal with. And we still have fried plantain. And we still have what next one named Festival.
Yeah, and bami.
And Bami. So we still have 4 pots left to cook. So you know what thing go? We ain't playing. Fully active. Outside of the right thing. Cook and make people full up them belly and eat and alright. Broad bean come here now for oxtail now peeps. Yeah man, I have to throw in the broad bean, season him up. I want Maggie then there. Boss a Maggie throw in eye. One chicken one. People them about them no cook with Maggie a food no business. So your food sell off, people them love it. You say uptown say no cook with the Maggie.
Put all in name.
Throw him over here, man. Maggie. And stir up that. And make him go and simmer down. Alright, tell them, I bet you call me Maggie chef. But yes, still me know so food tastes nice. And enough people eat some food and when they eat it, they vex after. But this... Talk to you, say cook the Maggie and spoil the food. That can say. Uptown I say person cook the Maggie and still spoil the food. So that means I'm not a chef. A chef in.
One time, look overseas for one local chicken here from Guam. I know overseas how much time I see you. No, you never see me start one man.
Yeah,
How much time I see a mash up pan.
No.
You know which pan? You see all the cook down all artists cook shop and the people they say when I cook curry I'll be a grade in it. Oh, if you grade in there, only curry can we not cook curry.
Oh boy. You know, about a big camera, so you know what?
No, sir.
Alright, I have a big camera. I'm not make you put it on the camera. Yeah, sure, some soup, you know. We're looking at soup at the cooking. Looking at soup at the cooking. So, pretty peeps. Yeah, man, some goated soup, yardman style, pretty and thick. Yeah, man. Share out some soup and give the guests them, you know, say, then they are the guests when they just go pick up at the buyer principle. Yeah, they're not doing our camera business. Me show them no one then, but we just share some soup, give them. Then we give them some food. Soup full of meat. Every bit me dip and go down and come up and meat. Soup pretty nice. No, like thick up to a nice. Yeah man, see pre. fully active. Just subscribe to the channel, look on them. 7 of them. Yeah, man. The peeps. Look how them pretty. And it have a taste good. Yeah, man. So subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean? Fully active. Turn up the chicken them, you know. This is how we do it in Jamaica, peeps. Grilled chicken, yardman style. Yeah, man. We done the rub on my little barbecue sauce and thing on them. You want to look on them. Pretty, you know. Yeah, man. Them pretty, man. Look how we grill carve out in them. Real yardman style, peeps. Soon sauce them up. But now let the fire go and penetrate them first. Yeah, man, fully active. Oh yeah, season up now. Boss, I season up the color now. Yeah. You know the thing, yeah? Put with the season. Everything we cook it up a season and nice, you know, people. That's how people love my food, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, cause enough people when them cook them, I say they not use certain season and them not this and them not that. But watch out, look how that pretty and it got taste nice. Cause it's well seasoned up. Yeah, man, fully active, man, yardman style. So just do the right thing, make it from this. First set, I guess, and can give them the food because them are the jerk chicken, oxtail, steamed vegetable, rice and peas, roast breadfruit, and bami. So you need to put some bami on the grill in a file paper so they can have some roast bami too, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, yardman style. I go on oxtail pick up and nice. Being gone in night, you know, so it must be nice now, you know. Yes, sir.
Active, man. One uptown boss in the kitchen. Watch him.
Subscribe to the channel, man. Outside I do the right thing.
Fully.
Fully active on the Riverside, you know. No next set I guess just reach. One set over there, so we sit down and eat already under the red tent. And then you have the next set under the green tent there, so there do some cooking, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, done one set of food already. They are cooking next set of food because I want sunrise boss, you know. Fully active yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Uptown the round this are going to stuff some fish too. Because we are going to grill some fish and Percy did this are going to fry some fish. So everything active, man. Yardman style, just do the right thing. Book your Riverside cooking now. Yeah, man, fully active, man. Outside. Stop at Mama Roots here now with the guests them. I make the guests them get some roots and some cleansiness and some, you know what I mean? Detox and all of them things there. Yeah, man, after this, you know, me bring them back to the hotel. Yardman style. Everything active. Make it back at the hotel, you know, my peeps. drop off the guests them right now. You know what I mean? Yeah man, in a real life man. Fully active man, see you boss there. Book your yard man tour now. Come pick you up early in the morning and drop you off back late in the night. We tour down the whole of Jamaica. Yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, we fully active man. Just left mama roots, make them get some whole heap of roots and everything good. So just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Done do me touring now. Time for go river go pack up and so let off the guests them. Yes Father God, it's a good look, thank you. In a real life. Babes, it's a good look. I don't see it to say it's a good look. I know I see it too, you know. So my fast people, let me watch here then. Things are going. Look at you now. Father God cut and clear, you know.